All right, everybody. Now here's what we're going to do. So you press Control K, and then you're going to change this background color to something that's really easy to get away from. So in this case, I chose a lime bright green, and I'm going to click OK here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click OK on this. And just as an example, I'm going to create something really quick that is going to represent my logo, and I don't have time to talk to anyone else right now while I'm doing this, and I'm just going to go type logo here, and that is 100% acceptable. I'm going to increase the size of this after I click on character, which is right here. So increase the size of the logo, and then I'm going to center it, Control Home, Control Home. I'm going to move it up a little bit, Shift up. Now I'm going to create a shape right here. This is going to represent my logo right here. And this is going to represent my logo. And this is how you export the logo into your next project. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to Control-Shift-C this, and I'm going to call it logo. And this is going to be my logo. And here we go. So now I've got 30 seconds. Yours is probably around 5 seconds. I'm going to cut the time on this and just change it to 5, so it's something like you have, and I'm going to save this first thing. I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Export, I'm going to add the render queue, I'm going to click right here where it says comp1/_1/.avi, click on that, I'm just going to really quickly export it to the desktop, and I'm going to call this logo, I'm going to click OK, now I'm going to click this button right here that says render, and it's going to take about approximately, let's say, I don't know, 5 seconds to render that for 5 exported. Okay, now I'm going to open up my commercial, so I'm going to go to Open Recent, and the last thing that I did here is Example Logo Reveal. This is the commercial, and now what I'm going to do is import my logo reveal by clicking File, and I'm going to go here to Logo, and at the end of the commercial where I want the reveal to happen, let's say it's right here in the commercial, I'm going to drag this logo reveal down here onto the timeline to the top of the screen. And I'm going to click the logo, and I'm going to drag it down here to where the scrubber's at. And now all I need to do is get rid of this green, lime green, bright green, neon green, and it's really quick and easy to do this. You're going to click on Effects and Presets. If Effects and Presets doesn't happen to be over here, you click on Window, and you can find Effects and Presets right somewhere in here. Right there, Control 5. Okay, so now in Effects and Presets, I'm just going to type Color Key, C-O-L-O-R, and Key. And now you're going to drag the color key to this layer here. And now you're going to see an eyedropper up here at the top of the screen. You're going to click the eyedropper, click on this green right here, and then you're going to increase the color tolerance, and then you're going to go ahead and say, you increase that until it's completely gone. You might have to do a little bit. Let's turn up the resolution to full. See what it looks like, and it looks like I need to increase this a little bit more, decrease a little bit more, right there, and then that is all you do. So I'm going to stop the video right there and upload this to YouTube, and you can see this on Moodle.